Hi guys, myself Darshan, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about antennas. So let me start with the introduction. Antennas are essential components in wireless communication system. They act as transducers, converting electromagnetic energy between guided waves and free space waves. So dipole antenna and monopole antenna. Dipole antenna consists of two straight conductors of equal length placed end to end and fed at the center. It exhibits a resonant behavior at a specific frequency known as its resonant frequency. Monopole antenna is a single conductor, typically a vertical rod grounded at its base. It is effectively half of a dipole antenna operating at half the resonant frequency of a dipole. Reflector antenna and phase array antenna. Reflector antenna uses a curved reflecting surface to focus radio waves, increasing directivity and signal strength. They are commonly employed in satellite communication, radar system, and radio astronomy. Phased array antenna. Phase array antenna consists of multiple antenna elements arranged in an array. By controlling the phase of signal transmitted by each element, the array can steer the beam direction electronically. Patch antenna and parabolic antenna. A patch antenna consists of a small, flat, radiating element printed on a dielectric substrate. They are compact, lightweight, and often used in mobile devices and wireless communication system. Parabolic antenna. A parabolic antenna utilizes a parabolic reflector to focus radio waves, providing high gain and narrow beam width. These antennas are commonly used in satellite, television broadcasting, radio astronomy, and radar systems. Antenna polarization. Linear polarization. The electric field of an electromagnetic wave oscillates along a straight line, either vertically or horizontally. Hi. Circular polarization. An electric field rotates in a circular path, forming a helix. It can be either right-handed or left-handed. Elliptical polarization. The electric field follows an elliptical path with varying degree of ellipticity. Polarization matching. For efficient transmission and reception, the transmitting and receiving antenna must have the same polarization. Antenna application. Wireless communication. Antennas are fundamental to mobile phone networks, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and other wireless communication system. Broadcasting. Radio and television broadcasting station utilize antennas to transmit signal over wide areas. Radar systems. Radar systems employ antennas to emit and receive radio waves, enabling detection and tracking of objects. Satellite communication. Satellites use antennas for communication with ground stations, facilitating global connectivity. So let me end this session with the conclusion. So antennas play a crucial role in wireless communication, enabling the transition and reception of electromagnetic signals. Understanding antennas types, characteristics, and applications is essential for engineers, technicians, and enthusiasts in the field of wireless communication. So hope you like the video. Please do like and share. Your one like may help me getting more internal marks. So subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.